Hey guys, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So I just wanted to come and do an apartment update, show you guys how I've been organizing so far and like closet and kitchen and so on. I know that the last you saw about the apartment was the empty apartment tour, so I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm not gonna be on the camera much because I'm having an eczema outbreak. I don't like the way I look. So it's just gonna be the apartment. So let's jump into the video. Alright, so in this video too, I'm gonna show you like the vision I have for the apartment, what I want to change and so on. So this is the kitchen. Alright, what has changed since the empty apartment tour? Obviously my refrigerator is here now. My stove is also here. All right, I've brought in like my appliances, my kettles, toaster. These are the cute jars. You know, you can hold like your pasta, your rice, you know, flour right here. I still haven't gotten paper towel holder because guys, the ones I see I don't like, and I realize that's like a little trend for me in Jamaica. I don't like a lot of the things, but some things I'll make work, and then some things I'm just going to order off Amazon. So stay tuned for an Amazon haul. Here I have like a little fruit basket of some mangoes, some green plant. In the cupboard I've started to like, you know, organize like the pantry area, the cupboard and things. Here I have some glassware, and then this is like the counter with like the dish drainer, cutting board. I don't like how this oil look. I'm gonna put a picture of what I want. It's like a special like oil bottle. I'll be bougie and get myself an oil bottle and like a special pump bottle for the dishwashing liquid. I want to get that too. On the floor I have this mat, and this is like those rubbery like mats that are made for like kitchen and wet area, so it doesn't get like gucky and nasty. It just like it's easy to clean, can wash it easily, everything. All right, so up here, this is just where I store like food and something here. All of that I store here. In here, plates and cups. Here like snacks that I should not be eating on my diet. And then just other stuff here. I still have a lot of space, so like up here the only thing I have is cereal and aluminum foil, so I still have a lot of space in my kitchen. So yeah, I just need some more tweaking, but the kitchen I think is the furthest thing along, and I mean I'm happy about that because I need to use my kitchen. So yeah, that's the kitchen. Let's go now into the living room. Oh, and right outside of the kitchen I have I have my garbage can, and I have this bottle, like this case of water, but I want to get rid of this and move it from here, move it to like over there in that corner or somewhere else, because this is kind of like an eyesore just to have like the garbage can and the bottled water, the case of water right here. So we want to move that. Okay, all right, let's go look at the living room. All right, so this is the living room and dining area. So over here, you know, we had the washroom. That's nothing special to show, just a washroom, just moving like the cleaning stuff and so on. Here I have my dining table, couch, rug. You guys may be saying, Britonny, why do you only have one chair? Well, one chair missing. It's holding up my TV. I'm just gonna be honest, like I haven't bought a media unit yet, and I'm not going to rush to buy one, because the worst thing you could do with your house is compromise. I'm not going to compromise on anything. I'm not buying anything unless I really love it. So one of my chairs is holding up my TV over there. We're not gonna show it, but just know that's why one is missing. All right, and of course you guys saw the couch. This rug here, the rug doesn't go, well, the tones go, but it's too small. These curtains not staying here, just needed them until I get the curtains that I want. So let me open it up. so you guys can get like the natural light, see the tone of the couch and whatever. As I said, my chair over here will up TV. So yeah, this is it. I have no art on the walls yet, but now I want you guys to catch the vision that I have for living room area. So I'm going to put like lamps right here on each side, end tables or little side tables over here too, right? I want a coffee table, and I'll show a picture of the type of coffee table I want, right? And then up here I want to do like this big piece of artwork. I don't know what it's called, but I think I'm going to DIY and do it myself. Of course I will show you guys that process, so stay tuned. So yeah, this is an overview. As I said, those curtains are not staying, they're just there till I find the curtains that I want. There's a specific curtain that I want. My mom has it, but when she went back to the place to see if she could get some more for me, they were like out of stock, or the colors that they had I did not like. So yeah, that's an overview of the living room. As I said, I want to move the trash can. Oh, and I have this little flower thing right there in the corner. That now stay aside. I want to move the trash can from there to there. But guys, give me your opinion. I'm thinking if I move it, it's going to be too far from the kitchen. You get what I say? But at the same time, it's like an eyesore, you know? So I want to move it from there to over there in that little corner or something. Yeah. And I also want to get something on the wall to like hold up my keys or something somewhere. Then with this wall, I either want to do like a round mirror or like a gold brassy type of looking mirror. Over here, I may put the mirror here with a console table when I move this. So guys, just tell me your idea. This place had this stupid phone, yes sir. So I'm going to put a large plant in a big pot over here. I don't know why it still have this little stupid phone, because no one uses it. It doesn't work. So me, I gotta figure out one way to disconnect this and put a large plant, or I'm just going to put a large plant and hide it. So yeah, that's something I want to do too. So yeah. Alright, so this is the progress on my bedroom so far. Mismatched curtains again. As I said, if I can't get the curtains I want, I don't want it. So let me go closer and show you guys what the bedroom is working with. Alright, so let me actually turn this way. So yeah, I think this is a better angle to understand the bedroom situation. I'm in the bathroom. So the curtains I want, I like this color, but the fabric I don't like. I like this fabric, and I'm going to try and zoom in so you guys can see like the texture of this fabric. And if you guys know where I can get curtains like this, please tell me, because do you realize the way these ones just look? It just look better and just more structured, everything. Like these ones just look better, and I love how it feels when the wind blows. It don't like flap all over the place. These ones, the wind blow, it flap all over. I don't like that. So just spread my bed normal for now. I want to get like all white sheets. I have a set, but I need more luxurious all white sheets. So I just throw this throw blanket on it, and yeah, just spread this for now. I did order a different bed because this one is too high. This bed is too high, so I'm getting another one made that's going to be like shorter, so you know, lower, closer to the ground. Prefer that vibe. So once we get the curtains that I want, we'll hang them obviously. But I like the tone of this curtain, but I like this fabric better. I don't know what it's called. Over here I just have my dresser. What I want to do, I want to change out like the knobs and the pulls on this to like a more goldy brassy color. And then over here and to the sides of my bed, obviously I'm going to want nightstands and like lamps, so that's coming. In the meanwhile, I've just been organizing like my closet and my clothes, not finished. So I'm going to show you the closet now, but before I show you the closet, like this is what I have left to organize and like declutter all the clothes in there. And then I have some clothes over here that I need to organize and declutter. And then these drawers are like full clothes and various things. And I have like some tech stuff, things I use on my YouTube, some makeup. And then this is like the rest of my makeup that I need to go through, organize, and declutter. So let's look at the closet now. Let me turn on the ring light. All right, so you know, once I close my door, you'd have seen full body mirror here, and then I open here, and then this is what I've done with the closet so far. Let me step back. So yeah, so I started to like organize my closet. I put the bags on that side, shoes, some heels, and then I have some like Converse type shoes down here, and then I have some of my clothes like bodysuits, hats, and so on hung up here. Let me go closer. And guys, I used the space up here, can you see that, to like store like my bags, traveling bags, vacation bags, and teacher stuff up there. And this is what I have so far. My heels are down here, some sunglasses, some more home decor stuff, some bags, clutches, purses, my hats, my bodysuits. I love my bodysuit section, and like blazers. I'm going to hang like jeans next, but the dilemma now is these types of hangers, if you could see, like these black velvety hangers, I cannot get any more of them in Jamaica. So I will have to order online at Amazon, because I've really searched and searched, and it's like holding up my closet. I had to buy like some navy blue ones. So if you realize, these ones are navy blue, but this is black. But I don't want to like, even the navy blue is out now, and I have so much clothes to hang. I need to just like make progress, so I'm just going to order it on Amazon. I try to, you know, support local, all of that, but they're just not in stock. So Amazon it is. All right, so moving away from my closet over to the next side, I have the linen closet. Now the linen closet was for linen, you know, sheets, towels, all of that, blankets. Guys, my hair stuff, my beauty stuff, all of that, shampoo, everything reach in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move these hair, body care, skincare to like my bathroom cabinet. Some things down here already, but we can just move them. I want to also align that with that wrapping paper inside there. So once I move that, I then can put my makeup in here. Hopefully that creates some space. And then on the last shelf down here, I can put more shoes, because shoes have now become a problem. I'm actually out of space for shoes. This is my bathroom. This shower curtain, I have a new one like right here, but I'm going to do like a bathroom renovation, and not really renovation, just a bathroom organization and fix up. So I'm just put up this one for now, and then once we do the fix up, change up, I'm gonna put the other one in here. So yeah, all I have is this little plant and my pink garbage can. Oh, I want a new garbage can, because I wonder, I feel like we kind of outgrow it now. The pink kind of outgrow it. But guys, let me show you this body wash. These St. Ives body wash, so good, so good. I just had to mention that. So good. So yeah, this is the bathroom. We can come out of here. I want to put like some artwork here or even above the toilet. You know, I want also a little tray to hold like my body wash, my body scrubs, and various things that I use in the shower. Okay, so, and then something up here to hold like my toothbrush and so on. But to be honest, guys, I use both bathrooms. So we're gonna go over to the other bathroom, and I like showering in the other one and then in this one. Weird. All right, let's go over to the other room and bathroom. All right, so for now, the other room is just being used as storage because the things for the other room is not here as yet. So I just have like some things from my old job and things like that. Storage. And then this bathroom, I've been loving this bathroom. As you can see, it's much bigger than the one I have around there. So I've been using this one. But now, like, I use both bathrooms. It's so bad. So as I said, like, my toothbrush and stuff is in here, and like some hairspray and some other things. I use both. Sorry, not sorry. I just give myself more work. I just give myself more work, more cleaning. So here I just have some more body wash, body butter things. I want to get, like, as I said, a tray to like hold these. But guys, this, putting you on again, this scent from St. Ives Balm body wash. It done, but I just save it to show you guys. Get this. All right. So yeah, that's that. And I think that's it for the apartment update, you guys. I don't think there's anything else. I have some design ideas. Tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. What is pink some? Oh, the cleaning cloth. It'll bother me. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below like the ideas, and you know, you can give me ideas too. All right guys, so thanks for watching. Bye guys. I have some really interesting videos coming up, especially for persons building their house in Jamaica. I have some videos coming up for you guys, so stay tuned and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.